Welcome back. On today's journey, we'll learn about and explore 25 familiar farm animals that every child loves. Are you ready for this exciting adventure? Let's get started. This is a horse.
Horse.
Horse, a powerful farm animal used for transport, work, and sport. Horses require training, regular exercise, grooming, and strong human care. This is a rabbit.
Rabbit.
Rabbit, a small farm animal raised for meat and fur. Rabbits reproduce quickly, require limited space, and are efficient protein producers. This is a herding dog.
Herding dog.
Herding dog, a trained farm animal used to manage livestock. These dogs are intelligent, loyal, and essential for modern farm operations. This is a guinea pig.
Guinea pig.
Guinea pig, a small farm animal raised for meat in some countries. Guinea pigs are gentle, easy to care for, and live in groups on farms traditionally. This is a cow.
Cow.
Cow, a large domesticated mammal raised for milk, meat, and leather. Common on farms worldwide, cows require pasture, water, shelter, and regular veterinary care. This is a yak.
Yak.
Yak, a hardy mountain farm animal raised for milk, meat, and fiber. Yaks thrive in cold climates and high-altitude regions. This is a sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep, a gentle farm animal raised for wool, meat, and milk. Sheep graze grass efficiently and are important to textile and food industries. This is a water buffalo.
Water buffalo.
Water buffalo, a strong farm animal used for plowing fields, producing milk and meat, thrives in wet environments and is essential to traditional agriculture. This is a donkey.
Donkey.
Donkey, a sturdy working animal used for carrying loads and farm labor. Donkeys are calm, intelligent, and adapt well to harsh environments. This is a reindeer.
Reindeer.
Reindeer, a cold climate farm animal raised for meat, milk, and transport. Reindeer are essential to Arctic agricultural traditions. This is a ferret.
Ferret.
Ferret, a small farm animal used to control rodents. Ferrets are active, curious, and help protect food storage areas on farms naturally without chemicals today worldwide. This is a camel.
Camel.
Camel, a large farm animal adapted to dry climates. Camels provide milk, meat, transport, and survive long periods without water. This is a pig.
Pig.
Pig, an intelligent farm animal raised mainly for pork. Pigs grow quickly, eat varied foods, adapt easily, and are important to global meat production. This is a pony.
Pony.
Pony, a small horse breed used for light work and education. Ponies are strong, friendly, and popular on family farms. This is a chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken, a small domesticated bird raised for eggs and meat. Chickens are easy to manage, reproduce quickly, and are common on small and large farms. This is a duck.
Duck.
Duck, a waterfowl farm animal raised for meat, eggs, and feathers. Ducks enjoy water, resist disease well, and adapt to diverse farming systems. This is a goose.
Goose.
Goose, a large farm bird raised for meat, eggs, and feathers. Geese are hardy, good grazers, and often used for natural farm security. This is a turkey.
Turkey.
Turkey, a large domesticated bird raised mainly for meat. Turkeys grow fast, require proper care, and are especially popular in North American farming. This is a goat.
Goat.
Goat, a hardy farm animal raised for milk, meat, and fiber. Goats adapt to many climates, eat varied plants, and are easy to manage. This is a honeybee.
Honeybee.
Honeybee, a vital farm insect raised for honey and pollination. Bees support crop production and maintain ecological balance on farms. This is a deer.
Deer.
Deer, a farm animal raised for meat and antlers. Deer farming requires fencing, careful management, and controlled breeding programs. This is a pigeon.
Pigeon.
Pigeon, a farm bird raised for meat and messaging historically. Pigeons are intelligent, adaptable, and easy to breed in controlled environments. This is a quail.
Quail.
Quail, a small farm bird raised for eggs and meat. Quails mature quickly, need little space, and are suitable for urban farming. This is a llama.
Llama.
Llama, a South American farm animal raised for fiber and guarding livestock. Llamas are calm, social, and well adapted to mountainous regions. This is a rooster.
Rooster.
Rooster, a male chicken on the farm. Roosters protect the flock, make loud crowing sounds, and help farmers know when morning comes each day. Which farm animal do you like the most? Please like and subscribe to let me know.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Goodbye and see you next time.